In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a zero account in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. Hover on the left side, click the trading. There is a drop-down menu and I want you to click the My Accounts. Now, you can choose a real or demo account, especially if you're looking for an ultra low spreads and a professional trading experience. The zero account is one of the most popular account types offered by Exness. All I have to do is super simple. Click the open account. This will give you several options. And of course, the zero account is ideal if you're a beginner trying out forex trading or an experienced trader looking for tighter spreads. All I have to do is click the zero. Click the continue button. And of course, you need to make sure that you choose the default currency because right now it's in USD. If you want to change it, let's say, for example, I'm going to be choosing Singaporean dollars. You can choose a starting balance. Let's say, for example, if you wanted to create something here, you can put a different nickname. Maybe you can change the max leverage from 1 is to 2, 1 is to 120. It's up to you. Or if you want, you can choose the 1 is unlimited. Of course, at the end, you want to make sure to create a trading password and then click the create account. Click the save button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to open a zero account in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.